Once again, we see another insane bullish reaction as we see both the SPY and the QQQ rising, almost making new all-time highs today, and of course, reacting very well just above very important support levels. Now, this not only confirms our previous idea that yes, the trend is clearly upwards, but also increases the chances of a true breakout of their resistance levels, which could indicate that yes, we will see a new all-time high next in the absence of technical evidence to the contrary, because this is all about this channel. All right, here in this channel we only talk about technical evidence, no emotions, no guesswork, no gut feelings, no stress. Here we only focus on technical analysis to design our strategies that will guide us in this market. You are welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. Welcome to another daily study. Now, as we can see here, yes, SPY is insanely bullish. We are on the verge of breaking the all-time high at 610. Now, this entire area is a very dangerous resistance level. If you ask me, Nathan, is there any chance that SPY could make a top signal from here? Yes, in fact, now would be the perfect time to do so. But right now, we do not see any top signal. There is not a single bearish reaction suggesting that SPY is going to trigger a pullback or reverse this bullish sentiment. Recently, we just collapsed over here to retest the 21-day EMA, the $600 area, which was our major inflection point over here, right? And right now, we are reacting very well. This is very good because, well, according to our trading methodology, we should buy every single time we see a pullback to our support levels. When we see stocks dropping, we don't panic. All right, we don't panic. You don't panic. You use the panic of other people in your favor, and then you can buy using strategy, using a good risk-reward ratio, because that's all about trading. Okay, we gotta use a good risk-reward ratio in our favor, and when the risk-reward ratio is very good, it's precisely when we are near support levels. So buy near support levels, sell near resistance levels. I'm not saying that SPY is a sell or a buy right now, because not investment advice, but right now all that I know is that SPY is on the verge of breaking this resistance level. There is not a single top signal yet. SPY is looking very good. If we see a top signal, and again, we can't predict the future, if we see a top signal, okay, maybe you're gonna see another pullback. Another pullback may bring new opportunities to us. We'll see, right? This is in the future. Right now, here at this moment, SPY looks very promising. The QQQ is also very promising, breaking the 533 resistance level over here, heading towards the all-time high area around 539. Okay, that's our next major technical resistance level, and that's a technical target as well, because SPY made a bottom signal over here. Again, guess where? Above the 21-day EMA, above the 522 support level. This double support area is clearly acting as a major inflection point for the QQQ. Right now, we are reacting very well above this key point, suggesting more upside. Is there any top signal? No. What if we see a top signal? What if we see SPY, I'm so sorry, the QQQ closing below tomorrow? Tomorrow we see a bearish candle closing below the $532. All right, that could be a top signal, but right now we only see bullish evidence. This is what we can work with right here, right now. Okay, right now we see only technical evidence suggesting more bullish continuation. And how this affects our stocks, because right now, if you ask me, Nvidia is not only insanely bullish, but it is making a bottom signal above the 21-day EMA, above the 130, above the 129, this triple resistance level over here. We are reacting very well above this key point, suggesting an upside to the next technical target, 141.88. Okay, now, yes, Nvidia technically speaking triggered our personal strategy of the trailing stop gain, okay, because we But over here, I gave you guys the buy signal on Nvidia to the members of the 5% project down here, okay? While Nvidia was near the support area. Again, by near support levels. This one triggered our trailing stop gain over here, so it did trigger a sell over here. We are not going to complain, okay, because it was a phenomenal trade, but right now this reaction suggests more upside. We are not going to cry about it because again it was a fantastic trade, but if we see now from here, if you are on the sidelines on Nvidia, if we see any pullback to the 21-day EMA, to the 130s area, great, it is going to be possibly another buying signal to us. Okay, right now, let's just wait. If you are still in Nvidia, that's very good for you. The 141.88, this gap over here, because remember guys, gaps work as magnets for the price when trends reverse. This gap is our next technical target. There is no technical evidence suggesting that Nvidia is not going to get there. Okay, we only see bullish technical evidence. Nathan, what if we see? If we see, then Nvidia is going to be a sell, period. Remember, guys, again, trading is reactive. It is not predictive. There is not a single tool in the realm of finance or in reality that can help you predicting the future. There is no such thing. Nothing can help you predict the future. Absolutely nothing. There is no AI, there is no quantum trading, no fundamental analysis, no tape reading. Nothing can help you in predicting the future, but we can react properly to what's happening right here, right now. That's why technical analysis is here to help us understanding the market's movements, because again, every single candle we see over here represents a different battle between bulls and bears, between different ideologies, and we use technical analysis to just follow the money. Okay, because we follow the flow of the money using good strategy, meaning trading using risk management, knowing where our stop loss is, where our target is, always having a crystal clear plan in mind before every single decision. Every single professional trader knows where their stop loss or their target are before they place the trade, okay? Even before they place the trade. That's how we do over here. And guys, remember, if you want to join our educational project, become a member of the 5% project, because there I teach you how to trade strategically using our personal insights, because I share many signals with you guys over there, many trading strategies, and so far we are performing so well that you can just give us a chance, because you have 7 days for free, okay? Absolutely free to try. Then if I'm capable of delivering valuable information to you, then later after 7 days you decide if you want to stay with us for real or not. But bear this in mind, okay? Over there, the members of the 5% project, they have exclusive access to very, very good and detailed trading strategies every single day. Many amazing opportunities, many amazing signals every single day. So if you need help devising a strategy, or if you just want to improve your performance or have more trading ideas, you are more than welcome to join our community, to learn with us, because there I teach you all for free, okay? You can even download my ebook on technical analysis entirely for free. There I teach you my trading methodology absolutely for free, okay? It's free. We deliver value first, and then you decide if you want to stay with us or not, okay? Again, link is in this video's description, all right? Just join the 5% project, because guys, we retail traders, we gotta stick together, okay? Because we can't trade without a clear strategy. If you don't have a plan, then you plan to fail. This is it, okay? We always gotta have a very crystal clear plan in our minds every single time. Now, regarding Tesla over here, just like Nvidia was a buy to us over here near this bottom level, I see Tesla as a very nice buying opportunity as well. Of course, not investment advice, okay? I'm not suggesting anything over here, but let's think about it for 1 second. Tesla collapsed over here, right? Making lower highs, lower lows. Now it just reached our support level at $326. Now it is reacting from here. Everything is telling me that yes, Tesla is supposed to bounce to higher levels again, just like Nvidia did. However, is this a bullish reversal? Not yet. Okay, of course, as swing traders, it is possible to take advantage of a swing over here, of a bounce to the 21-day EMA, or maybe to higher levels, but guys, a true reversal will only come if we see a higher high, higher low. All right, breaking the 21-day EMA, the exponential moving average on the daily chart, then we are going to enter bullish territory again, and we are going to trigger a bullish reversal chart structure. All right, only then we're going to see real reversal. Right now, yes, for swing trading purposes, it is possible to trade Tesla over here, and I did share a trading strategy in Tesla with the members of the 5% project, but right now, we got to be very careful because it is not reversing yet. Okay, maybe it will, but right now it is just bouncing. Regarding AMD, this one looks horrible, okay, because it is just collapsing, making lower highs, lower lows. We don't see a crystal clear reversal, only bearish structures. AMD looks horrible, simply horrible. Of course, this is not as horrible as watching this video without being a subscriber, because that's so sad. I mean, because if you're not a subscriber, you'll miss our future analysis, future content that may be very helpful to you. Eventually, you will find the necessity of watching a complete analysis of the market through the lens of technical analysis without any bias, because our analyses are totally unbiased. Okay, so just subscribe to this channel for more analysis, for more content like this. I need more people like you over here. You are watching this video for nearly 12 minutes right now. Clearly, you did like the content, so this channel is for you. You are welcome to the Finance Hydra channel, and remember to click the like button to support me as well. Every single like is very important to this humble community. All right, now AMD, insanely bearish. Okay, not a single bullish reversal. The 21-day EMA is clearly acting as a major resistance level over here. So as long as we see AMD making lower highs, lower lows, trading below the 21-day EMA, it is not going to turn bullish. I'm so sorry to tell this to you guys. I know you guys love AMD, but that's true, okay? AMD is insanely bearish. What's more, to be more specific, today, AMD found a resistance level right below the 114, the previous support level over here, now acting as a resistance level to us. Another classic example of how the principle of polarity in technical analysis works. Previous support levels are going to work as future resistance levels and vice versa. This is why technical analysis is so amazing, right? Although we can't predict the future with it, we don't need to, all right? There is no need in predicting the future because we react properly. We have the odds in our favor, and the TA is an amazing tool that can help us in devising good strategies, okay? Technical analysis is just amazing, don't you think? Because I do. It is very good. Now, clear resistance level over here, all right? Not reacting, okay. AMD is just having a very rough time right now. As long as we stay below this key point, it will remain bearish. Palantir, on the other hand, Palantir looks phenomenal, going up insanely well, almost making a new all-time high. Is there any top signal? Is there any bearish reaction suggesting that that Palantir could collapse or trigger a pullback from here? No, there is not a single technical evidence. If we see one, any pullback to the $100 could be just another buying opportunity, because that's what Palantir is doing. It rises, it corrects, rise, corrects, rise, corrects, rise, corrects, rise, corrects. Any pullback could be just another buying opportunity. But Nathan, Palantir's price to earnings ratio is quite high, etc. First, this fundamental indicator is useless for a growth stock. Okay, and I can prove to you. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna prove to you why this indicator is totally useless in trying to predict if a stock is going to collapse or not, because only stating that a stock is overvalued, it is not enough. It never is. Nearly never is, okay? So, and I have many factual examples proving that if you want to swing trade stocks, well, do not use fundamental analysis. Use technical analysis. Fundamental analysis is more for investing, all right? And even in this scenario, price to earnings ratio is not applicable for a growth stock like Palantir. Period. Okay, you gotta use other technical and the fundamental indicators. Okay, for Palantir, all that I know is that it is going up. Okay, like it or not, many people are. Palantir is kind of. Many people are trying to sell Palantir. Many people are trying to sell Palantir. Guys, without technical evidence stating that Palantir is going to correct, it is not going to be a sell. Okay, at least, of course, not to me, not according to my trading methodology. Okay, in my personal, humble method, it is not a sell yet. Or maybe it will, but right now it is not. Now, Apple. Apple looks phenomenal because recently, Apple, guys, for educational purposes only, okay, Apple gave to the 5% project's member a buy signal over here, which I did share with you guys. Hammer candlestick pattern followed by a piercing line pattern above this support level. We bought here and we sold here near this resistance level. All right. Now, we waited for the volatility after earnings. Right now, Apple is making a bullish reaction over here in this area. And it did trigger another buy signal to us. Our members bought. I gave you guys the signal to buy here on February 4. And it did trigger our buy signal on February 6. Our members bought over here. It did drop. It was a quite scary drop. But in the end, it is recovering right here, right now. What's my personal target on Apple? 247. Okay, that's our next target over here. Maybe Apple is going to get there. I don't know if it will. I don't care too much, because even if we are wrong, we're gonna lose little. Okay, because our trading strategy is all about mitigating our losses while maximizing our gains. Okay, if we lose, okay, it is going to be a very small loss. If we make money, all right, we're gonna make more than twice as we were willing to risk in the first place. Therefore, that's how you work strategically. You trade strategically like a real professional. All right, we gotta know where our stop loss is, where our target is, and of course we have to have good technical evidence supporting every single one of our moves in this market. So again, if you want to learn more, if you want to trade with us, join the 5% project. Link is in this video description. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow as usual. Stay safe. Bye bye.